BibleWorks provides text comparison highlighting to allow you to observe the differences between Bible versions. The Browse window has the option to toggle difference highlighting. When difference highlighting is toggled on, you'll be able to see the differences between the wording of various versions in BibleWorks. And there is a different color for each language version. However, BibleWorks also offers a tool called the Text Comparison Settings that can be used to precisely designate specific same language versions that you wish to compare. To open this tool, on the main menu in BibleWorks, click on Tools, then Viewing the Text, and Text Comparison Settings. The 4 fields there offer 4 possible sets of text that you can designate and save for comparison. Choose a field and enter the versions that you wish to compare. For this example, I'll enter the 3 English versions that are my current display versions, the KJV, NIV, and NRS. Be sure to leave a space in between your versions. Then click Enable, Apply, and Close. Like the difference highlighting from the Browse window, we have a similar highlighting of the differences between these 3 versions. If we open the Text Comparison Settings tool again, Tools, Viewing the Text, Text Comparison Settings, we can use another field to compare other versions. For example, I'll compare the BGT, BYZ, and SCR, representing different Greek manuscript traditions. I click Enable, Apply, and Close. Let's switch to view just those 3 versions. Now as we move through the text, we can see the differences between those versions, compared against our base text, the BGT, which was the first one I entered into the field. Text Comparison Settings also offers a means to develop a list of the verses where versions differ. Again, open the Text Comparison Settings tool. I'm going to change my second field to take out the SCR and change the BGT to the BNT so I can compare just the New Testament. Let's see the places where the BNT, the Nestle Aland text, and the BYZ, the Byzantine majority text, differ. With these 2 versions in the field, I'll click on the button next to that field for Export. BibleWorks compares the versions. And the verses where there are differences now appear in the Results Verse List window in the Search window. If I wish to save this verse list, I can open the Verse List Manager by going to Tools, Analyzing the Text, and Verse List Manager. Click on Import in the Verse List Manager menu and choose to import the entire search window verse list. This can then be saved under File and Save, and when it is saved, I'll then have a verse list of all the verses where the BNT and the BYZ differ.